Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a look at the construction that some apartments that are being constructed in New Kingston. So we are currently on Knutsford Boulevard and we're turning on to Trafalgar Road, and then we're going to turn off Trafalgar Road onto Musgrave, and that is where we will find the apartments that are under construction. So this is Trafalgar Road that we're on now. On the left is the British High Commission. On the right is the Spanish Court Hotel. So New Kingston is a very popular area in Jamaica. It's like the business district of Jamaica. So that's where you find most persons coming into the island to do business will come to this area. There are quite a few hotels in New Kingston. However, those hotels are not adequate read the number of persons that want to stay in New Kingston. Sometimes the hotels are booked out and persons can't get space. So you find a lot of apartment buildings have been going up around New Kingston. Also for persons who work in New Kingston. So we're going to look at a few of those buildings now. Some are finished, some are under construction. So straight ahead on the right is the UCC main campus. That's a college, University College of the Commonwealth. No, sorry, University of the Commonwealth Caribbean. Okay, so this is one of the apartments buildings now. On the right, it's the Cambridge. It's still under construction. It's mostly one bedroom and studio apartments. It's going to be the largest apartment building in Jamaica when it's finished. It's actually two buildings, two towers. Okay, on the left now is the Hampshire. This one is finished. And it's the same persons that built the Hampshire that are building the Cambridge. But it's on the right, and that one is finished and probably fully occupied. What you find is real estate is such a big business in Jamaica now, profitable business, that you find a lot of investment banks, a lot of institutions that you wouldn't really think would go into real estate doing it now. Like mostly a lot of investment places are building apartment buildings and selling their apartments. Okay, on the left is a view at the Braemar. That one is not sure if it's finished yet, but it's very close to being completed. If anybody knows if this one is, if persons have moved in yet, you can let us know. But no, well, only a few cars are in the parking lot, so I would say no persons have moved in yet. Now on the right, where you see the zinc fence, it's another apartment building that's going up. Straight ahead, that's another picture of the Cambridge apartments. On the left is the Argyle apartments. These are finished. And they've been finished for a couple of years now. Persons have moved in and here we can get a better view of the Cambridge apartments. You can see it's two separate buildings. That's another apartment building on the right. It's still under construction. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.